If you're still depending on a single employer, a single skill, a single salary, then I'm sorry, but the system is already moving ahead without you. Today I'm sharing the real Indian version of what's coming, not the Silicon Valley prediction, not the LinkedIn sugarcoating, just plain truth. Let's begin. The Indian career bubble has already burst. Let's not pretend that it works the traditional way, that you study, you get a job, you get promoted, you work till your retirement. That doesn't work anymore. And if you think and feel that that's how the market is working right now also, then I would say just perception. In India, salary wages have not grown much, but the responsibilities, they have exploded. And now companies are not doing cost cutting. They are actually replacing people. And it is happening across domains, be it HR, be it software development, be it project management. Earlier, one person used to do one task. Now one person, with the help of AI, is expected to do 10 different tasks, and they are doing it. And the one who are doing it are surviving, thriving, and those who are not able to are getting replaced. And the next chapter is AI is not the problem. The blind dependence is. Most of us are using AI in the worst possible way. That is to avoid thinking. Copy paste prompts, auto written emails, AI made resumes, and then we wonder why interviews go bad. AI is not here to replace you. It's actually here to expose you. And if your company can really replace you with a tool, then it means your work was always replaceable. There was nothing remarkable about what you were doing. And here are a few examples of data analysts getting replaced by basic Python plus ChatGPT. A content writer is replaced by AI writing tools. A recruiter sending mail merge is replaced by automation. Middle managers getting replaced by dashboards plus some workflow tools. But remember this, people who understand business, who understand humans, and who understand logic, they will never get replaced. They will actually dominate. And here comes a very interesting fact, and that is history proves us something important, and that is that India adapts very fast. Whenever technology entered the Indian market, the first reaction of people is to panic, and then they thrive. You can see it in IT outsourcing, UPI, Zomato, Swiggy kind of delivery economy, ed tech, gig work. Every disruption that has happened in the past, or even that continues to happen, first removes the low skill jobs and then it creates the high skill opportunities, but only for those who can upgrade. So which means 2026 is not the death of work. It's the death of work without identity. So here is your new career model, the multi-source income. In India, we do not have any kind of financial blanket or any kind of financial security provided by the government. So if in India you are relying on just one income source, just one salary that you are getting from your employer, then it's equivalent to doing a financial suicide. You definitely need your primary income. It can be your job or something else. Then your skill income. It can come from freelancing, consulting, project-based work, and then personal brand income for sure. It can be the content, the partnerships, the teachings that you do, the digital products that you create, and then comes your long-term income, your investment, rental income, if there is any, and compounding. This is not your let's talk about side hustle anymore. It is survival. That's how you will survive in what's coming ahead. And future belongs to people who will be able to create this portfolio career where they have this multiple sources of income. And if you're thinking, oh, all of this is just some fancy stuff, good to say in video, this is not practical, I cannot find time alongside my job to do something else or to create something else, then do not cry tomorrow when your company let you go overnight and you do not have any plan B to fall back on. That's just the reality. It's not some fancy stuff anymore. It's not a side hustle glamour anymore. This is the necessity, if you understand it. If you do not have time, if you do not have the knowledge how to do it, figure it out. Figure it out. That is the message of this video. You have to figure it out. It's must for you to do. It's non-negotiable. You have families dependent on you. So please figure it out. And moving on to the next important thing, which is stop chasing titles, work on building your skills. India is obsessed with titles, I must say. In social gatherings, you will find parents bragging about their kid. Oh, my kid has become a manager or is now promoted at a VP level, has become the director, so on and so forth. You must have seen it yourself. But titles are fading faster than ever before. Your skills will take you farther than any title can. So instead of just sitting with that title of project manager or director, HR manager, or solution architect, start recognizing your skills, start putting value in your skills. Ask yourself, what problems do I solve better than 95% of the people? Why should the market absorb me even during layoffs? Why I have that kind of value that I will never go out of the context? 2026 is not about the title, guys. You have to literally identify your skills. Instead of saying I'm this manager or that manager, say I have problem solving skills. I can do project management. I can communicate really well. I can sell ideas. I can analyze data really well. These are my skills. So build skills, not job titles. If you master this mindset and you separate your title from your actual skills and you work on your actual skills, your value will never depend on your employer only. You will have so much market value that no matter when you have to walk away, you'll find something else, something better outside of that employment. And now let's talk about my favorite part of the video, which is about personal brand. And it's not about influencing, guys. It's literally an insurance. If till now you feel like personal brand is about dancing on some trending songs on Instagrams or Reels, I just want to say, wake up. Personal brand is such a powerful tool which is underutilized, or I should say misunderstood in Indian market. Most of the people relate to doing some stupid stuff online, and they relate it to something that younger generation does, which is such a wrong perception. Personal brand is all about having a digital footprint. In simple words, a proof of your competence. When a potential hiring manager sees your LinkedIn post, some recruiter sees your insight, when peers see you thinking, you become the go-to person, and that reputation is your insurance. In 2026, jobs won't go to the most qualified person. Jobs will go to the most visibly qualified person. I can tell you from my personal honest experience that building a personal brand gets you opportunities when you are not even looking for them. Hiring managers, recruiters reach out to me so many times, even when I'm not looking for jobs. They reach out to me so many times asking if I'm open for some kind of opportunities. Why? Because they see me on LinkedIn or maybe on YouTube. Because I've been very intentional about my digital footprints. I'm very intentional about how I'm building my personal brand, how I'm sharing my ideas with the outside world, and what kind of perception I want to build. Basis that so many opportunities organically reaches me. If nobody knew that I exist, why will they reach out to me? And I would miss out on so many opportunities just like that. As simple. It's not about dancing on some reels. It's about creating intentional digital footprints so that people know that you exist. People know that you who can manage projects so well, you who can manage people so well, you who can communicate so well, you exist and you're open to work. So they'll reach out to you. So here is what you must do starting today. Identify one high value skill that you already have. I'm sure every single one of us has that skill, but it's just that we are so attached to the title that we are given, that we operate with that title, and we never take out time to separate that title from the skill set that we have. And if you genuinely do not have any high value skill, then learn one. Build a digital footprint, create a portfolio, learn AI deeply, learn how to use AI effectively in your work. If you are not comfortable using AI in your office work, then start using it in your daily life, start solving your daily life's problem with AI. And it's such a great time to be here in India because so many AI tools are absolutely free for us to use. So utilize them, and slowly you'll become so comfortable using those AI tools in your daily life that you'll be able to use them for your work as well, really easily. Network intentionally. Start one income stream outside of your job. Try to earn, I would say, one single rupee outside of your job, and you see the difference yourself. Track your progress. Start track. And finally, do not chase perfection. Chase momentum. A lot of people ask me these queries that I do not know this tool. I do not know how to create portfolio. I do not know how to build personal brand. You do not have to be perfect when you're starting out. You have to just make sure that you're moving, and all the information, guys, is out there available on the internet. There is absolutely no excuse in today's time that you cannot do a certain thing. Everything is served to you on a platter in form of information. You just have to put some effort to follow the steps and execute it. So now let's answer the billion-dollar question, that will 2026 be the end of traditional careers? The answer is, the careers will not die, but the traditional thinking is definitely dying. 2026 will not destroy careers. 2026 will expose that who was prepared and who wasn't. And if you really want to be ahead in the game, start now. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like today's conversation, make sure you let me know in the comment section. And with that, I'm signing off. You keep on watching more content on the Corporate Diaries, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye.